Hey guys, what is going on, and welcome back to another 2023 Subaru BRZ video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be answering another question that you guys have asked me. And today we are up here on the car park. We are pretty elevated, and the view up here right now is amazing, along with the rain that was here earlier, plus the sunshine now. So perfect timing. I also took some photos. If you guys are interested in my photos, please follow my Instagram. But for now, let's talk about the question that one of you guys asked me, which was, which one is better to get, the limited or the premium? Now, when we talk about Subaru in Canada, this is the premium. Our more higher trim is called the Sport Tech, and this right here is a premium, which is the base model. Now, I want to get into the differences between the base model and the premium, or sorry, base model and Sport Tech, or the limited and the premium. But one thing I want to get out of the way is a short answer to your question, because I don't want to, go around the bush here. I kind of just want to tell you guys directly what I think and immediately give you guys the answer. This individual was also curious on which one he should get. Short answer to this is the base model, the limited, or in Canada, the premium. I would not go with the higher trim for the BRZ, and now here is why. This car does not come with one specific thing that the GR86 does come with, and that is the duckbill spoiler, which I think is such a necessity if you're going to spend the extra couple $1,000s on the higher trim. Now, for the lower trim, which is this one, this came with 17-inch alloy wheels with some summer tires, and that's basically it. This also comes with the eyesight tech, but this is very limited to what the actual Sport Tech model has. The Sport Tech model includes the 18-inch wheels with Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires, super sticky, must be very good for the track. I didn't try that model, unfortunately, but I did sit inside one, and I know it also comes with Alcantara seats, or Alcantara, however you want to pronounce it. So I'll show you guys what this one comes with in case you guys don't know. So this one comes with the regular cloth seats, which you guys see on most cars out there. Nothing special at all, but honestly, I prefer these over the Sport Tech seats, and I'll get more into what what I prefer, but this is what the base model comes with. And the Sport Tech model, or the premium trim, comes with a very smooth Alcantara seat. And I personally don't like that, so I went with this one. The Sport Tech model also comes with the same eyesight technology, unless you buy the manual. If you guys buy the manual version, it does not come with eyesight no matter what trim you get. But I'm just here talking about the automatic because that is what I have at the moment. The eyesight also the premium and Sport Tech model also include blind spots on the mirrors here, somewhere around the mirrors anyways, and it lets you know when there's a vehicle beside you in your blind spot. It also comes with LED headlights that shift and move depending on which way you're steering. So I thought that's pretty cool, but again, nothing too crazy. I wouldn't spend the extra $1,000 for that stuff. And it also comes with a bunch of other safety features that this one does not come with. It also comes with the remote start and SOS help or something. It comes with a bunch of stuff that personally to me is not necessary. But here is my opinion on what you should get, okay? And I already gave you the short form, I already gave you the short answer, but here is the longer version of that. I think you should get the base model, but it depends on your preference. It depends on what you are using the car for and what you are planning to do with it. So let me give you guys an example of what I'm talking about. So let's say that you guys are planning on modding the car. Like me here, I got aftermarket wheels on it. I'm getting an aftermarket exhaust. I'm going to be getting a spoiler. I'm going to be getting different parts on the car. And I personally don't need the Sport Tech model, or again, in the US, it's the premium. I prefer the base model because I'm going to be making it my own anyways. But let's say you guys don't want to mod the car. Let's say you guys want something that looks like it's been modded out of the box, but it's not. You guys want the full package. then yeah, I mean, definitely go for the Sport Tech, but you are not getting much with Subaru. If you guys want a better deal, go with Toyota. Toyota gives you a duckbill spoiler, which just looks amazing, and you still get the same wheels, just different color. You still get, you know, the same car basically. Power and performance wise, nothing changes between both trims. So base model or premium, it doesn't matter. It doesn't change anything. You are getting the same exact horsepower. You're getting the same exact suspension tuning, everything. It's all the same. So you might as well just go with the base model. If we're moving on to the interior here, let's say that you guys wanted more comfort. Let's say you guys wanted the Alcantara seats instead of the cloth seats. Oh, there goes the door. So in my opinion, these seats are way better than the Alcantara seats. The only thing that I do wish this came with is that little tiny stripe down here. Maybe look, you know, it'll look a little bit better, but that's about it. And I don't think anything else changes in the car. I think you get a couple Alcantara parts here and there, maybe the top here, but nothing too crazy, you know, nothing that is like worth the purchase in my opinion. So the vehicle will also come with better speakers, apparently, but the 2023, if I'm not mistaken, already comes with the same speakers as the premium. I have to double check that with you, and you know what, I will make another video on this, and I will have to double check that because I'm not 100% sure, but that is what I've heard. The update will be coming shortly, and I am about to hit 500 kilometers. I'm currently at 400. I know it's taking a while, but guess what, guys? I won't stop uploading. I'm just simply going to be slower than others because I am not driving the heck out of this car. I'm making sure to drive it in good condition. I'm making sure not to rev it out, not to, you know, go crazy with it. I'm still gonna wait for the break-in period before I start really driving this thing harder. But for now, man, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe if you're new. Make sure to leave a comment below what you guys think about the car. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Again, this car will get more mods. Every time it gets a mod, I make a video. So we'll see what happens there. But I'm not getting any major mods after the exhaust. Just little touches and little pieces here and there. But nothing too crazy. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out, guys.